Good morning, everyone. This is a text based game called Monster Battle Arena. This is a game which we use commands to attack or defend or win. This is a game which we have to fight monsters and battle them by using commands like attack or defend. To win, the person who loses the health is the loser. So let's get into it. So the game's rules will be all the monsters in this game have the maximum health which is 1000, and the maximum attack power is 200. So in the week 1, my progress was we named we just I named 5 monsters, giving their health and attack power. Just thinking. Uh, so week 2, I made it loop to enter many more things. Uh, I learned the for loop, and I also used F string in this thing. We printed the monsters in a descriptive way. So in week 3, we managed to make it pick a give us a list of monsters and to pick from them, and the code to pick a monster and let it pick a monster randomly or to attack or defend. Uh, the input function to get the monster to the user, and I also gave the code for attack or and defense. And I managed it to choose a random monster from the list for the opponent out of a range which I have given to pick from. If I entered something which is out of something which they don't know, something wrong maybe, they would right then say you have entered the wrong message. So in week 3, this is my progress. I have got monsters, and so far so good. I made the opponent uh, le- pick pick a monster, and in week 4, now I can press the I can make my monster attack or defend. It will show if you attack the your opponent's monster. If and it will instantly show your opponent's monster's health has gone down. And in the beginning, if you got the idea to start from defend, you will only defend for no reason. Your health won't go up. Because I set a limit. And so week 4, these are the things. This is the code which I did. So week 5, this is the last week. This is the final result. And previously I made it. When you defend, heal all 100, but later I thought 100 was too much, and I decreased it to defense. And we finished the code with a while loop to repeat the process until somebody wins or dies. And so this is one example of the game. So at the beginning, you have to pick your index number, like which index number you have to, which monster you want. Like it's from 0 to 4, and because I know the monster, see the first monster 0 is the most powerful one, so I just picked him. And I just spammed on the attack, as I know attacking will just do it, because the opponent just kept on defending and defending and defending, and I finished them off with the attack, and I won. Thank you.